Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. We have a straight to the point video. This is a 2021 F-150 Keyfob, and if you're low on battery and you need to change it, this is how you do it. You press this little button, slide it off, pull the key out of there, set it aside. On the back where the Ford logo is, pry this off right here. So I'm gonna do it with just my finger. Takes a little effort. Find something narrow, I guess, and then using this pen and then picking at this opening right here. And then it comes right off. And I'm just gonna slide it in, press it down. Okay, it works. I heard my truck honk. All right, if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.